Now let us see if, else if and else statement. So in our previous video we have only seen the if statements. Now we will be seeing the else statement also. So let us say a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. Now let us check whether a is greater than 5. Let us say puts the value, right, condition is true. Let us say true. And now there is a, we can write else if, ELSIF, remember. Now let us check the condition for the b. B is equal to 20. Puts b is true. Anything you can write. And now let us write else. Else means if both the conditions are true, false, all are false. Now let us save it, execute it. So let us see the output. One more syntax error. We should always write, whenever you are using if, we should have to end it. Now if you run it, so what is getting executed here? See, let me bring it. Okay, true is getting executed. So this is also true. B is equal to 20. But else if means if this statement is only false, this will get executed. Otherwise, these two statements will never get executed. If this statement is false, then it will check else if. This is also false, then it will check else. If this one is false, it will check this. If this one is true, it will directly go to the end. Let us change it. If a is equal to 33, we are making it false. Now if you execute it, b is true. See, this condition, the system is checking this condition. Because it is false, it is checking else if, and this is never getting executed because this is true. Now let us make this is also false. 21. Now see, all are false. This statement is getting executed. Like this we can write any number of else if. Let us write else if b is equal to 20. Let us make it true. Puts let us say now true. Now let us save it, execute it. See, now what is happening? I will show you the benefit of else statement also. So first it is checking this condition is false. Then it is checking this condition is also false. Then this condition is true. Whenever the true condition is executed, it will come out to the end. So what is the benefit of else if? We can write like this: if let us try to execute it. So else can be used only when we are using else if, elif, and every if should contain end. And we will end this also. I think this contains end. Okay, everything fine. Now see, what is the difference between our else if and only if? So in this condition both are same, but let us make this one true. We will understand it. A is equal to 10. Now if you run it, see here, true and now true both are executed. So first it is checking the, if you don't write the else statements and if you write only if statements, first it is checking this condition. This is true, it is getting executed, it is ending here itself. Now again it is checking this condition, this is false, it is skipping. again it is checking this is true, this is getting executed. So if you write hundreds of if statements, it will check all the if statements. But in if else statements, if the condition is true, then there itself the program gets out of the if statements. So that will be saving our time. Like if you write same program else, let us write again else here, ELS. Try to understand the logic, simple logic, it is not so difficult. ELS, else. So else does not require this end, and here we are starting. Always the starting should be if. To use this statement, always starting should be if, and end this. Now syntactically it should correct, should be correct. Now it is showing some error. Now let us save it, run it. Save it, run it. So now what happening, as soon as this is true, it is coming to the end of the line, so saving a lot of time. So according to your requirement, you should decide whether you should have to use only if or else if. Hope you understood the else if and else statements in if block. So if you don't understand also, don't worry, in the next video we will be seeing some examples to understand if else statements better. So try practicing. Until then, meet you in the next video.